Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create landing page with Getresponse for affiliate marketing business in 2023. So if you are a beginner and know nothing how to create landing page for affiliate marketing business using Getresponse, then this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your landing page for your affiliate marketing business using Getresponse, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where you can learn everything about affiliate marketing. So go and check out the link down below. In the description you will find the link. Right now, without any delay, let me show you how to create landing page with Getresponse for affiliate marketing. So you can see that I have created this landing page using Getresponse, right? So let me show you how it works. So this is my name, right? And here I'm putting a dummy email. Yeah, you can see that. So this is a thank you page, a simple thank you page that I have created to promote my affiliate offer. And here you can see that this is the call to action button, and if someone clicks on that, then that very person will be redirected to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting. Yeah, you can see that. By the way, down below I have put the link so you can see the live example, right? Yeah, you can see. So this is the affiliate offer that I'm promoting, right? So now how to create? So simply, I hope you are using Getresponse, and here point is that when you are using Getresponse, then you don't have to pay $100, $200 for creating your landing page, right? Here within I think around $90 per month subscription, you will be able to collect emails, send emails, and yes, you will be able to create landing page, right? So yes, down below I have put the link of this Getresponse. So yes, if you want to check it out, then yes, you can go and check out the Getresponse. You can create your account, right? So now, so I'm going to log in into my Getresponse account. So this is the membership area of Getresponse. So go to tools, and then can you see that landing pages? Click on landing pages. Yeah, you can see that. So these are the pages that I have created using Getresponse. So what you have to do, just go to create landing page. So click on that. Now here you can select the template, and here I would like to say that whenever you are going to create landing page, keep it simple. Don't try to create fancy landing page. I would highly recommend you go and create a simple landing page, right? So this is what we want, right? So I'm going to select a simple landing page, or you can say simple template. So I'm gonna select download. By the way, it's up to you, right? Whatever template that you want to pick, it's up to you. But for this training, I'm just gonna pick simple landing page template. So I'm gonna select. Yeah, so this looks good. So select, and now I'm going to give it a name. So it can be 7-figure secret, right? Now next step. Yeah, you can see. So now here, So this is the background. So as I said, keep it simple. So I don't want this background. I'm going to change the background. So double click, and then can you see that? So I'm gonna select. So I'm going to delete this background and come to solid color, and then can you see that? White. Hit on white and then select OK. Right? So yes, whatever you want to type, you can type. So here I can say something like discover how to build a solid affiliate marketing business in simple 2 steps. So I can change the font or change the size of the font. So can you see that? Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, that's okay, right? And here I can say attention affiliate marketer. Yeah, yes, if I want, I can change the color of the text. So select and then come here and then red. Yeah, you can see. So it's up to you. Enter your name and email address to get this free report. So yes, if you are offering any free report or free training, free ebook, so you can mention that, right? So let me change the color. Yeah, so it's black. So you can say something like free report, free training, or you can say something like free ebook, right? So it's up to you, right? So whatever you are offering for free, then you can put that. Right, now everything is okay. Yes, here you can change the color of this button if you want. Yeah, so and you can also change the text color to white. Yeah, and you can type get access now. That's it. Now I have put the call to action text here, right? Everything is okay, and now go to save. So I have saved this page. Okay, nothing else we have to do. Yes, if we want, we can see the preview. Can you see that preview? Yeah, not bad, right? So this is the preview. Okay, now let me go back to its thank you page. So again, I'm going to change the background. So delete and then solid color, white, right? So thank you. Here we can say thanks for requesting your free ebook. Within 5 minutes or less, you will be getting your free ebook inside your inbox. So yes, we can change the size of the font. thanks for requesting your free ebook. Within 5 minutes or less, you will be getting your free ebook inside your inbox, right? And here, if we want, we can put your picture if we want, right? Or if you want, you can keep as it is, right? You don't need to do anything here, right? But here I would say, if possible, put your picture here so that you can build trust, so that you can let someone that who is the person behind this landing page. And as you know that people love to buy from someone who they know, like, and trust, right? So if you put your picture here in this section, then that will be really great, right? So here you can same thing, get instant access now. Yeah, you can type this and then same color. It was, yeah, no, not about this. Yeah, button color. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, this looks simple thank you page, right? Now here you can put your affiliate link of the product that you are promoting. So can you see that link? Now here select web address, and then here you have to put your affiliate link of the product that you are promoting. So in my case it is PEP affiliate, PEP, or you can say passive affiliate profits training that I am promoting. So you can see that you will be able to get 50% commission, and these are the high ticket commission that you will be getting if you promote this training. By the way, down below I have put the link of this training. You can go and check out. So this is my affiliate link, right? Or you can copy that, right? So here, yeah, not this one, where it is. Yep. So simply let me show you. Double click and then link, select web address, then link URL, paste, and then open in new window. Yeah, it's okay. Then okay, then save. Yeah, it has been saved. So yes, if you want to see the preview, so simply go and click preview. Yeah, not bad, right? So yes, if someone comes and click on that, then he will be redirected to the affiliate offer that you are promoting, right? You can see that, right? So everything is okay now. Yes. So yes, after creating your landing page and thank you page, what you need to do, simply, yeah, again, here if you want to change the background, so you can. Otherwise, as I said, keep it simple, right? Don't try to make things overcomplicated. So yes, after doing all that, then hit next. Yeah, if you want, you can check out the mobile version too, right? Proceed without mobile version. Yeah, you can. Okay, let me see. Yeah, in mobile version it looks good, right? And what about, yeah, can you see that mobile version? Let's go to, yeah, okay, everything's okay here, right? Yeah, we have to change slightly the text here. Okay, so we can, yeah, save. Now let's see how it looks. Yeah, everything is good, right? Yeah, you can change the text. Now everything is okay, then save, and then next step. So yes, if you want, to write the description, you can type the description for SEO purpose. If not, then you don't have to do anything, right? Yes, here you can like assign your own domain. So in that case, I'm not going to do that, right? So simply everything is okay. Yeah, you can see that. So, but first you have to point your domain or subdomain to Getresponse, right? So in other video, I will show you that how to do that, but just for this video, I'm just showing you the simple thing, right? So in that case, this will be your link to promote your landing page, right? Now you can assign your, or you can say you can select your email list. Like if someone put their name and email address, then what is the list, or you can say to which list you want to send people, right? And from there you can start sending emails to your subscriber promoting your affiliate offer. So it's up to you, right? So it is already selected, choose list. So yes, I can, let's assume 3 day. That's it. Now first message. So what I need to do, simply save and then publish. Yeah, landing page saved and then publish. Yeah, so this is my final link that I need to promote, that I need to give to someone, right? So here, if I give this link to anybody, then that very person will be redirected to my landing page. You can see that. And now if someone put his name and email address, then yeah, Pankaj Singh, and now my dummy email pankaj.singh234@gmail.com, and then click get access now. Yeah, so this is my thank you page. Then get instant access now, click on that. Yeah, you can see that this is my affiliate link, right? So now you know how to create a landing page using Getresponse for affiliate marketing business, so that you can promote your affiliate offer, right? So yes, that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions regarding creating your landing page with Getresponse, then yes, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you. I will try my level best to help you, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. Down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? And yes, if you want to create Getresponse account using my affiliate link, then yes, down below I have put the link. You can go and check out. And yes, if you also want to join this passive affiliate profits training using my affiliate link, then down below I have also put the link of this training. And yes, if you join the training using my affiliate link, then I have my offer. I will give you my 1 hour personal coaching. Its worth value is $997. So yes, if you want to join with this training, then go and join this training using my affiliate link, and I will give you my personal coaching for 1 hour. And yeah, when you join this training, just send me the receipt at my email address, that is support@affiliatecommissionsecrets.com, or you can connect with me on Facebook, right? So down below I have put the link. You can go and check out, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.